time for our phonics poem of the week. Today's poem is all about f. And the title of the poem is The Thin Thumb Thief. The thin thumb thief went thumping by. He wore a thick cloak and a thistly tie. He thought he was clever, he thought he was sly, but a thunderclap roared and gave him a fright. He threw down his bag with a terrible crash. Out tumbled thimbles and thistles in a flash. He chuckled, "This is the best game to play. Find your new words all through the day." But his thin little thumb gave a wiggle and pop. "That's enough thieving. It's time you should stop." How many times can you find in today's poem? You can pause the video now to see how many you can find. I found 19 in this poem. Did you find them all? If you liked this poem, remember to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Take care. Bye for now.